If you are a third year BTech student, stop whatever you are doing and watch this video right now. In this session, I sat down with a third year student who was extremely confused about her career, how to be relevant in this AI era, and making critical mistakes on her resume, from mentioning skills of high schools to over relying on ChatGPT for startup ideas. I told her how she can fix her resume, how to stand out to recruiters without relying on LinkedIn, how to balance DSA and development using my coriander analogy, and how to build AI integrated projects so that she can get high paying jobs. Watch this session entirely, and there is something in the description. Okay, there are the form link for the prioritized session as well as the free sessions in the description. Please read the entire description, and we can have session together. Now let's pause the video. So I'm going through your resume. Okay. uh, so like which site you use
Okay.
to make this resume?
Actually, I had told the ChatGPT, this is my all the information and my whole resume. Please update it in some style. So that's what I had.
Okay, so don't use this method. Okay, there's a site called Overleaf. Okay, even if you want chat gpt to give you all the information, better use Claude. Okay, Claude is much better. And tell Claude that give me the latex code which I can directly paste in Overleaf. Okay, and directly paste that code in the Overleaf
Oh,
site, and it will generate your resume. Okay.
okay.
Okay, because currently in the resume you had given the link for GitHub, LinkedIn, but for LeetCode there is no link. Okay, so please attach like all the information, all the link.
Excuse me, your voice.
Now am I audible?
Yeah, your voice is scratching. Yeah, now you are.
Okay, okay. So there should be all the links should be present in the resume itself. So if it should be one click away for the interviewer to see your profile. Okay. So right now you had given the lead code, like you had mentioned lead code, but there is no link for lead code. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So please do that. After that, yeah, everything looks good, but like in the education you had mentioned BTech and CGPA. So no need to mention SGPA because it's a semester GPA, no? So till now you had given 4 semesters. So how
Yeah.
anyone will understand that the SGPA you have given is of first or second or third or fourth which semester? Okay. So see, you don't have to confuse the interviewer, and you don't have to give points to interviewer so that he can ask you anything or he can think, yeah, she is not ready right now. Okay. You should have to look confident as well as professional. Okay. Now
Okay.
in the skills, Java and C. So why do you use Java?
I had started with the C, and then moving forward, I have to decide which language I should start. So one of my cousin has suggested me that Java is very easy, and I tried to use Java and learn Java. So it felt me really easy, and it is also very dynamic, and it is used in industry also frequently. So I choose the.
Okay. So basically you are using Java for DSA, like, right? Data structure, to learn data structure
Yeah,
language. Okay. So you are having good knowledge about C.
yeah, I had.
Okay. So like how much? Above intermediate or
Below intermediate, because
okay.
as much as college professors has taught us, I had learned that much only, and above that I had practiced some questions, and then I moved forward towards Java in my before the starting of second year.
Okay. So remove C. See, you don't have to put anything which you don't know very well. So it's better to remove it. Okay. See, even if you are going to mention a single language, it will not tell anything about you into interview, because if you know any single language, okay, or and you if you know the concept of data structure and algorithm, you can switch to any other language in just a week, because the syntax is only different, but the core concepts and everything is same in literally all the languages. Okay, so better remove it. Then web development, you had mentioned HTML as well as CSS, right? Okay,
Yeah.
so can I ask you a question?
Yeah, sure.
What is the full form of CSS,
Uh, Cascading style sheet.
and why is it used?
It is used to basically style and give beautiful structure to the website so that the user interface is nice and great for the user.
Okay, so after HTML, CSS, what you are going to learn? JavaScript, MERN, like MERN or Java full stack?
Actually, I had taken the course of Apna College Sigma 12.0.
Okay,
So they are teaching after CSS, they're teaching JavaScript, and then they are teaching Node.js.
okay, that's great. Like, how much does that course cost you?
It cost me 9,000 rupees.
Okay, no problem. See, whenever you are taking any course, I am not against course. Okay, I actually support course, because when you are not taking course, you have to search on the internet in the massive amount of data you have to search, and you have to pinpoint it like, yeah, this will be the sequence. But in a course, one thing which is best about the course is that you get everything in sequence. You don't have to waste your time in searching. Okay, so that's great if you had taken any course. Okay, now, okay, so for the web development part, I'm damn sure that Apna College course is more than enough, and they will teach you everything about web development. Okay, yeah. So, like, what is the length of that course?
Uh, the length of the course covers 8.5 months something. From last month to June it was started. And it covers, firstly, they will cover web development completely. And then they will move forward with data structures and algorithm. And then they will move forward with, I think, aptitude. So the last part will be aptitude. That will be around 1 month something.
Okay, so is there any backlog, or you are just going with the flow?
I am actually having backlog of 3 to 4 lectures because I am at home and it's not possible to cover all the backlog.
I can
So
totally
that's
understand.
why
I totally understand. Okay, so if you are going to learn JavaScript also, and after that the complete web development, Node.js and all, so I would suggest you to mention everything here. Okay,
okay.
even if you have not learned yet, okay, then also mention. Okay, do mention it properly. Okay, after that
So
the
should I mention that Apna college course
no,
I brought up?
no need to mention specifically any course. You just have to see, this is your resume. You don't have to advertise something else. You have to advertise yourself. You have to sell yourself. You have to show that you are going to be you are so good that they should hire you. It's their need. That's what you have to show in your resume. It's all about you. Okay, nothing else. Okay, so in the core concepts, that's good. Tools also, VS Code, good. Coursework, yeah, so it's not required. Apna college is not required here. Okay, and I would suggest you to use some other format of resume, like, okay, see, whenever you are giving any resume, okay, to any person, what is its flow, like how he is going to read from left to right. Okay,
Yeah,
now in your this if you could you please open the resume in your device, any device?
yeah, it is okay.
Okay, so right now in the education system, in the education section, if you are reading like BTech computer science, okay, and then after that there is a skill. So if he has to go left to right, then he will go towards language, which is not good. Okay, if you are mentioning education, then it should be covered in the entire line. Okay,
Okay.
okay, so that's the benefit. Okay, and one more
Yeah,
thing, I'll suggest you, like whenever you are mentioning anything, like right now in the projects, you had mentioned one basic portfolio website, HTML CSS designed and developed a responsive person, like there's a lot of space left on the left and the right side. It should not be that.
yeah,
Okay,
it covers in the middle.
yeah, That is the limitation when you like when you try to build the resume from AI. Okay, that's the problem. See, overleaf is not very hectic. Okay, you just require, like, for each resume you will require 1 or 1.5 hours. Okay, but every custom designing and everything will be in your hand. It's literally code, like any language, it's literally the code. Okay. Okay, so please try to make resumes from that site. Okay.
Okay.
And whenever you are mentioning, like whenever you are mentioning any project, okay, so at the top in the heading, the name of the project. Okay, then after that, in the same line after that, there should be a link which either opens the GitHub repo, or if you had live deployed it. Okay, if there is a live link of that deploy of that project, so please mention that. Okay, and then at the end of the page there should be the time, like from how much months, like when you started building that project, and how, what is the time required for that. Okay, you can mention anything, but it should be in sequence. Like if you are mentioning 3 projects, the most recent project should be at the top. Okay. Okay, so
Okay.
after that, this is the heading line. Okay, the name of the project. After that, in the second line, what you want, like you have to put what are the text tag you had used. Okay, and for each project, either you have to use 3 points to describe that project, or 4 points. Okay, and in any point, like if you are describing, like I had used something something something, so in the first half part, like if you will divide the resume, like the whole A4 sheet. Okay, if you will going to like fold it once, so you are going to have a line in between, right? So any
Yeah.
interviewer, if he is going to read your resume, he is going to read towards the left, but
Mm.
rarely any interviewer is going to read the entire line. They just form up some like form some insight about what is going to be there, so they just read half. So most important thing in any point should be in the first half, in the left half. Okay,
Okay.
keep that in mind. Okay, and you need to make more projects. Okay, certification
Okay.
is
Actually,
good.
this is an updated one. Here, my CGP is also actually it drops out at some points, and I had created a Spotify poll recently, which is I didn't mention it, and yeah, and also the TSA is not continuous. I used to do TSA in the last semester, but after that exams and all, so I left with the TSA and I continued with the course completely. So I thought that the TSA should, if I had done some problems and solved the problems, so I should write it. So I wrote that. If it is not right, please tell me.
No, 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 it's good. Just put 228.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, because someday you are going to reach that, and just don't put
Yeah.
specifically on lead code. Just say on various coding platforms. Okay. Okay, because if you are going to be consistent, uh, I can guarantee you that you are going to solve more than 1,000 plus problems. Okay, if you are thinking that currently I'm on 28 and 1,000 is very big, no, just be consistent for 8 months and definitely you are going to cross that 1,000 problems mark. Okay, that's nothing. Okay. Okay, because any topic you are going to read, you are going to solve at least 5 7 easy problems, 4 5 medium, and then hard problems. Okay, so that's good. Okay, and see, right now you are in your third year, so I'm just telling you to make one entire resume. Okay, even with the fake data. Okay, no matter where
It is valid.
sorry.
Is it valid to use fake data?
No. I'm not saying you to use the fake data and then apply for internships and all that. Okay, not, I'm not. You are just making one like design or the blueprint whenever you want to like put any right data. Okay, so you will directly go and edit in the text. You don't have to do the designing and all that.
Okay.
Okay, that's what I'm saying. Like you will feel everything, like 3 projects, some 3 dummy projects. In all the points you are going to mention, yeah, myself, this, I had this. Just put this much. because in future when you are going to complete it, okay, it will act as a placeholder. You just have to put the name and every designing and everything will be there. That's what I use. Like I'm having my classmates and batchmates also, they take like 4 to 5 hours to make a single resume copy. But what I did, I just take 30 minutes because I had already made one blueprint. Okay, all the placeholders are present there. I just have to go and edit the text. That's it. Okay, it will save your time, not now, but in future it is going to save your time. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So after that, everything is good. Certification, spoken tutorial. Like, could you please explain what like spoken tutorial? I don't get about the certification part.
Actually, it was a basic Java programming. So in this, when the semester starts, the professors was teaching us basic Java, and at the end of the semester, with the collaboration of the IIT Bombay, so they named it as a spoken tutorial, and then they test the students that how much they had learned the Java. So it was an online test, and on the basis of that score, you get a certificate. So it was basically a program to test your skills at how much you had learned in the semester.
Okay, that's good, but it's not very good certificate. Like it will not make you stand out. Okay, so in the resume you have tried to show yourself that you had achieved something or you have done something that they should hire you. That's the first point. But one thing that will make you stand out, that should also be present. No problem. Right now you are thinking that there's problem in each section. Don't worry, just relax. Okay, it's the starting. You are still not late. Okay, at least you had started in the third year. I know someone, some persons like who they had like like you are 160th candidate. Okay, in last 1.5 months I had taken the guidance and interview session of 160th. Okay, you are 161st. Okay, to be precise. Some of them like are in the final completed the final year and they had started DS and all that just 6 months ago. And
This one relate.
yeah, the interesting part is that some of them has got the job also, 6 plus LPA.
In not bad.
No, just don't judge on the package part like
No,
that.
on the basis of, I'm not judging that, but if you are starting before 6 months and getting a 6 LPA is also nice.
Yeah, because they followed a roadmap. Okay, if you have to be specific, you know what you have to learn. Like that's why this guidance session and all that. So if you know what you have to go with, you are definitely going to get that. Okay, and right now you are in your third year. You still have 24 months. If you will remove for each semester, you are going to give like a single month. Like one semester takes your 1 month. Okay, still you have 18 to 20 months. Okay,
Yeah.
you can get any job. Okay, and never think that AI is going to take your job. Okay, it has failed very badly, so don't uh, like get with the flow like with the influencer like AI is going to get job and all the layoff and all is just rubbish. Yeah, one thing, like if you are targeting startup, like you had mentioned that product based and startup. Okay, so if you one thing like I'll tell you, like if you are targeting product based, please at least be night on lead code. Okay, that's your mark. Okay, that's your mark, and you are definitely going to achieve in any product based company if you are going to be night on lead code. Okay, that's the first thing. And if side by side if you want to target startup also, web development and everything is very good. What you have to do, you just know how to use AI in any application. Like you had made basic portfolio website, right? So how can you integrate AI in that portfolio?
Integrating AI or using AI to build that
No,
portfolio.
no, no, no. Using AI is something else. Just ignore that.
Yeah.
You should know how to integrate AI to make your product more useful.
Okay, so in the portfolio there should be an AI assistant.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
Yeah, whenever you are going to ask anything about you, okay, because there must be some pages or like 4 or 5 pages, okay, of website. currently you are having a single page website. It could be possible portfolio, but in future, like if you are going to have 3 projects, so you will have 3 different sites, 3 different projects, and each card will be present in the home screen, and if you are going to click on each card, you have to go to that particular page. Okay, so if any person is like no, I don't want to do so much research, I am not having that much time, what they should do, they should go in their support, they should ask, give me the with the AI, like give me everything, every detail about this person, this candidate, all the projects and everything. It is going to put that in the chat. Okay, that's how you should know how to use AI in your application, not like how to use AI to code and all. No. Okay, that's the difference. Okay, so rest everything in your resume is very good. Okay, yeah, so on the resume part, it's very good. Now whatever I had told you, like you are going to build projects, in future you are going to have certifications and internships also. Like in the form you had mentioned that how to apply, right? Yeah, so do you use any portal right now to apply, or you don't know, you have not used any?
Actually, I use LinkedIn only because I don't trust any other what Internshala and all. They used to take students for ISP. So I was like, no, I don't want to get into this. So that's why I don't create account on that.
No, it's not that big deal, but I'll tell you, like LinkedIn is not that good for applying for internships and job. Okay, it's like very outdated right now. If you want internships, use Internshala, and for job you should use Naukri or Wellfound. And but there's a catch, like if you can be so skillful and you have a very great resume. Okay, and even if you are going to apply on those platforms, there's a catch, like on each platform, like I'm a recruiter. Okay, I want 10 candidates, and like 1,000 plus candidates had applied in my job. Okay, I had listed my job in Internshala, and 1,000 plus candidates have already applied, and all 1,000 plus candidate has put their resume, also attached their resume. So whenever Internshala or any job portal is going to rank them, because it is going to rank them, yeah, it could be according to time wise also, like who came first, let's just rank him at the top. Okay, that's one thing. But sometimes what Internshala and all they do, like they use their own details. Are you getting that? Like you had submitted your resume, but in all the portals, portals you are going to face, like you should fill all your details, like all the projects, all the things, all the certification, each and every detail in that particular portal. Okay, in my section, there's about me or something like that. You have to, because they rank according to them. That's why this portal. So if you are thinking that I had made a great resume, everything is there, but you have not completed a profile on each portal, and if you are applying with that portal, it's very rare that you are going to land a job.
Okay, so my profile should be complete on every platform.
Exactly, the platforms you are going to use for applying.
Yeah.
Okay, so use that. Okay, these 3 platforms are more than enough. And when your college is going to open after vacations?
Actually, they are opening from 20 July, but they are saying that they will be open in 20 August. So I am going to my college back on 20 July, and thereafter I will find out that when the colleges are going to reopen completely and the classes will reopen properly.
So you stay in hostel or this?
I stay in the campus hostel.
Okay, so I would suggest, even if the college is not going to open till 20th August, but if they are providing hostel and everything, you should stay in the college and practice all these things. You have to cope up with.
Yeah, that's why I'm going back.
Yeah, great, no problem with that. Okay, and yeah, you had also mentioned that you had some idea about the project and you want to discuss it.
Yeah, actually, the idea was.
One second. Are you satisfied with whatever I told you about resume and job, or anything else you want to ask about this part?
No, like, in the describing section of myself, I had written that aspiring software developer with a strong foundation in Java and data structure and algorithm. So it is valid to write that because writing strong foundation will let the recruiters know that yeah, this candidate has well definition about the data structure and algorithm. So if I don't practice that much, and I had written that I had solved this much questions like fake data, that will so it is valid to write it.
Just a second, just a second. See, it's not required. Like it's the about section. It's already present. Okay, just tell me one thing. Like you had written aspiring software developer with strong foundations in Java and data structure and algorithm. What is extra you are adding in this line? Is there something extra you are adding in this line which is not present in the resume?
Nothing.
Nothing, na? That's what you also have to think. Now let's come to the second line. Currently a second year, fourth semester computer science student with consistent problem solving, practice on lead code, completed HTML, CSS. Okay. So second year and fourth semester, it's already mentioned in the education. So
Yes.
is this line adding something extra about yourself? No.
Yeah.
Okay. Now completed HTML, CSS from Apna college and capable of building structured responsive web interfaces. Is this?
No, because I had written that web development HTML CSS, so it is valid that I will be capable enough to create the responsive websites.
Exactly, exactly. And solving like seeking internship opportunity to apply problem solving skills and contribute to real world software development. Is this helping you?
No.
So you already have your answer,
Basically.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Understood on the
Yeah.
part of resume?
Yeah, I got it.
Job portals and everything for applying, it's fine.
Yeah.
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 So what was the idea about the project?
Actually, it was back in my first year when I was searching hostel out of the campus. So thereafter, I found that there is no only the seniors and few phone calls you have to search hostels. So I went there and there were so many hostels. I was confused about all of that. Which hostel should I choose to live? Wait a second. Okay, sorry for the interruption. It was my
It's
mother.
okay. I can understand. I am also at home. I can totally understand. No problem. I have to lock my room. I have to lock my room so that no one comes in. Okay. And still there's knock, knock. I can totally understand. No problem.
I got it. Yeah. So thereafter, I found that there is no particular website, and even when I was searching, there was website for booking the hotels, there was a proper website for only the students who are studying out of their city. So I thought that to build a website that is useful for students who are studying out of their city, even professional ones who are living out of their city for their work. So they can go to that website and search the hostels, PG, rooms, flats, sharing, and all, so that they can just find out which hostels are best for them. They don't have to book that. They just have to shortlist it, add to cart, and just add to shortlist box, and then therefore they can go there and review those hostels and select anyone. So it was basically solving their struggle for finding such hostels and residential areas.
I want to ask one thing. Is this a project idea or a startup idea?
Actually, I was confused. I was talking to ChatGPT Gemini also. So thereafter
I can guess.
the AI also.
No, I can guess. They would have overhyped it. Yeah, go ahead. It's a startup idea. No one has got.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know that. No.
That's why I was confused how to start it and if I should start it or not.
No, the project part is very good. Okay, the project. If you are taking it as a project, it's very good, no problem. But if you are taking it as a startup, stop. Okay.
I was not thinking about a startup because I'm in third year. I have to build some project. Also, the college pressure will be there because I have to create mini project and then next semester projects. So that's why I was thinking to create something and use my skills for myself also.
Yeah, so on the project part, I'm saying this is very good project, okay. But if you are talking about that, like to go with the startup, I'll say stop. See, everyone right now seeing all these stories, like you are getting, you will get so much uh, funds and all that. Everyone is overhyped. Yeah, we can do that too. Okay, there are so many stories of someone who is very poor and has built some mega startup. Okay, so don't go with that. Okay, there's a lots and lots of things. Okay, funding and all that. Okay, uh, I had also tried it. Okay, and I had failed it. That's why I'm saying you don't go with that. First of all, secure a job. After securing a job, if you are having a time, then do something like currently I am doing. Okay, like I had already, like this is a startup. What you are we are having session, but this is a startup, kind of startup. Do you know how?
I don't know how startup works and how they start their startups ideas and all, but the idea felt me also like it was a startup idea.
No, but if you are going to see, there's are see, if you are anytime having that sorry, anytime if you are thinking that yeah, this could be the startup idea, do one thing. Take one or two of your friends, roam with them in your city, and go to the PG owners and all that. Okay, in your city, do a research before getting all in. Do some research. Ask them, do you want that there will be a site where you have to put that all the rooms, the videos of the rooms, okay, the price and everything, you have to maintain it. Also there will be reviews and all that. Now after that, anytime if any room is getting booked or it is getting rented, then you have to mark it. And if it is getting empty, then you have to again remark it. Go and do this test and see of 10 PG or landlords, how many are willing to do that. If there's no, fine. And if there is someone, then do one thing, like build them their personal websites and sell them. That's the best. Even if you are going to charge 30,000 from them, that's very good.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
But if I use this idea as for a project, so should I do that because project should be well structured and strong enough to stand you out
No, no,
out
no,
of
no,
this
no,
crowd?
no, 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 no. Not required at all. The project should have data. It could be dummy data also. No one is going to verify, yeah, Suresh is a real landlord or not. No one is going to Chennai, okay, to verify, yeah, Suresh is actual or not. So ignore it. And one thing I want to suggest you, like if you have to build major project, okay, so always choose that project which you had already built. Don't choose and after that don't build. Okay, choose only which you had already built. Don't go vice versa. First I am going to choose and then I am going to build. No, at last you, because in your final year there will be a lots and lots of things, lots and lots of pressure. I had seen my own batchmates struggling so much. Like they have to cope up with the internships, they have to apply for new internships, they have to learn new skills, they have to go with on-campus placements and all. So much hectic, and some of them has taken that, chosen the idea, and then they are going to build it. What I had done, I had already built one in before final year. I had just said, yeah, I'm going to build this, and I had shown that. So if you want to show hotel like this hostel management or whatever the portal is, okay, build it freehand, okay, before your final year. Okay, don't do this. Never ever do this. That you are going to choose first and then build. Never do this. You will never know how your final year, how much hectic will it be.
Actually, I know that this is my private university, and everyone said that it is the worst ever university because in the final, in the starting of the final, in the day one only, there will be companies who are going to hire you, and they hire you in the bulk. So day one of the fourth year will be hectic, and you will not get time.
Yeah.
For a limited amount of period only, you will get time to apply for those on-campus placement. And then if there is eighth semester coming up, and if you are not able to get a job on campus or either off campus, you have to go for the college on the 8th semester also with the 95% of the attendance minimum.
That's what I
So
am. See, that's no difference. All, like, I also think my college is worst. No problem with that. Okay. Uh, I am from government college, and a good government college in UP. It's like, if you will remove IIT and NITs. Okay, I am from State Engineering College, so it is second in UP. Okay, and if you include all the
okay.
IITs and NITs, it is ninth or 10th in the entire UP. Okay, so that's
Nice.
kind of good college, but not, no. See, I don't want to go into that. Okay, but even after that, there was no placement scenarios like you had said that on the first day only there's a lot of company. No, still I was not able to get a single month or even 10 days of time. Right now I'm having time because what I had done, I had just chosen a PSU so that I can have time and I can do this type of work. Okay, I was
Yeah.
actually selected for a US based startup with 10 plus LPA, but I had just left it. It was too hectic. I thought, let's go with the government job, so it is better. I always wanted to do something my own by myself. That's why I had just chosen this. So please keep this in your mind. Never choose then build. No, build then choose. Always. Even if you are not having good project, like you have to show 2 or 3 projects, then the teacher is going to select one of them. Yeah, so that's what happened in my college. Okay, like you have to present 2 or more ideas. Okay, and they have to select one of them, all whatever you are going to present. Okay, so like my project was not very good. It's a WhatsApp clone, to be frank. Okay,
Okay.
okay, but what I did, like, it was my best project by then. Like, it was built. Okay, so what I had done, I had shown 2 more projects. I have given ideas for 2 more projects, but what I did, I had like uh, I had just presented ideas worse than that. So automatically they had selected that.
Okay. So automatically they will select WhatsApp.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I had done. Okay, so that's what you can do. But yeah, idea is your project idea is good. Okay, and please try to build projects as soon as possible. Okay, give your time. Like in Apna college, our lectures pre-recorded or it's live?
They are pre-recorded, but for specific sessions like GSOC and linking and all the updates about social media and how to apply there, so they use live sessions. All the
Okay,
record lectures are already pre-recorded.
okay, so no problem. So go with, like, if you will get 1 month. Okay, try to build 2 projects, at least 2 projects from Apna college. Okay, or in that 1 month.
Actually, Apna college is going to teach, build around 4 to 5 projects like Airbnb and all, ChatGPT, AI integrated. So they are going to help us with building these
Yeah,
projects.
yeah, they are already.
But they will be not like self-made project. They will teach us and then we will build that side by side.
Yeah, that's what everyone do. Okay, even if someone is in Google, they also had done that. Just open the YouTube tutorial and just copying that sideways. But don't clone it. There's a difference between, like, you are not
Okay.
copying the code, you are typing the code. Okay, that's what I also
Yeah.
did. I had opened the YouTube side by side and then I had typed whatever they are typing. If there is some problem, like, I cannot understand the meaning of some line, okay, or some snippet of code, what I do, I had opened my mobile phone side by side and just ask it. Okay,
Yeah.
I do voice search or
Yeah.
whatever,
In
just
the
in the.
similar manner,
Yeah,
I built the Spotify.
yeah, that's the best way to build projects. Because if you don't know, like, after this particular line, like, in like, do you know about authorization, authentication? No, no. You
Right
don't know?
now, I don't know.
Yeah, it's okay. There's 2 tokens, okay, refresh token and access token. If you are going to build that project by yourself and you don't know what is refresh token and access token, you can never build that. Okay, so that's what the first project or whatever the type of person. Could you please just mute it when you are done?
Wait a minute. Okay, sorry.
It's okay, no problem.
Sorry for the interruption.
It's okay, no problem. Okay, So where I was, like, I'm very weak memory.
Authentication and
Yeah,
like
yeah.
if you don't know something, how you can integrate it.
If you don't know any new feature, how you are going to build that by your own self in the first place? Okay, at the first place. So what you for any feature you are going to build, like authentication, you have to see the tutorial and all that. You have to read somewhere. Okay, so do that, no problem at all. Okay, but just don't clone the project, don't clone the code. Okay, just type side by side. Okay, and one more thing, like uh, there's a GitHub Copilot. Okay, in the VS Code. Okay, so please
In
off.
the VS Code, yeah.
Yeah. Just off it. Okay, just don't use it.
Okay.
It provides suggestions and all. Just ignore it.
Yeah, if it provide me suggestions also for the properties also, if they suggest me, I just try. If I forgot, I just try to use it. If I don't know, if I know about the property, so I just type it. If I know about the code and it also shows me the code, I just don't copy that and I just tap it. I just
Yeah,
write that code by myself.
great. And one more thing, please maintain your CGPA above 8.5. It's already good, but please be consistent, and it should be above 8.5. Okay, no matter what. Don't go below 8.5. Okay. Rest
So
everything is
actually, in the Apna college, they said that there should be a wow factor. So either it is hackathon winner or either it is like a it is a 9.5 or 9 CGP above, or some very good project or some very like great internship in any MNCs like big companies, product based companies. So there should be a wow factor. So right now I'm not having any internship and also I was trying to build my CGP above 9 so that it should be a wow factor. A little bit wow, but it should showcase that you are a student who
no.
learns and struggles.
Don't get into all these things. Okay, wow factor and all that. You are already very wow. You are already wow.
Okay.
Okay, just try to do what everyone is doing, but be consistent. What they are doing, they are starting for 10 days, they are consistent, and after that they are leaving entirely, and they are not going to touch it again.
Yeah.
Don't do that. Do what everyone is doing every day. That's it. You will already be a wow paper. The consistency, if you have consistent, you just go and open the Striver sheet. Okay, and all the Striver YouTube videos playlist. On the first video, you would have you will see 1.5 or 2 million views on the first video, and at the last
Yeah.
you will see no one is there, like 10,000, like from
With
2 million to
less
10,000.
view.
2 million to 10,000. Okay, and even
Yeah.
from 10,000 also, some of them has just opened it and just said, it's boring, let's just remove it. They, I must say that only 5,000 is the real viewers from it. So be consistent, be do whatever it takes to do. Okay, it will already develop a wow factor in you. Okay. Anything else?
Actually, one last question. In the Apna college, the lectures are uploaded, the pre-recorded lectures are uploaded like alternative days. So there is a gap between each lecture day. So should I practice that DSA also in the alternative days gaps?
Yeah, of
Like
course.
doing web development with
Yeah,
the
of course.
DSA side by
Whenever
side.
whenever you are getting time, just open a project on LeetCode and start. Even if you are in class, you are having mobile phone, just open any easy problem and just try to like formulate it, like how you are going to approach it. Just try to memorize or form how you are going to approach it. That's it. And when you are back at home, or in the hostel, just type it. Okay, that's what you can do.
Okay, so actually, I was thinking that मतलब, it was like if you flow go with the flow with two ships and you are not go two boats, you are not going to land somewhere. So I was thinking that be on one side, go with one thing and then complete it
No,
and then
no.
move forward.
That's good that you don't know that you are not going with two ships. What you are doing,
Yeah.
you are going with a single ship. Your main aim is to complete the development part. That's it. The DSA is like a dhania, coriander powder, coriander leaves. Okay, which you are going to
Okay,
sprinkle it.
it's a garnishing part.
Yeah, whenever you are getting time, you are doing that. It's not that you have to do it, or there's some goal that you have to do it by this. No, Whenever you are getting time, you are thinking that yeah, I am free, I should do something, just start. Okay. And yeah,
Okay.
rest everything is fine. Was this session helpful for you?
Yeah, it was really helpful for me.
Okay.
I was finding someone mentor who can mentor me right now.
No problem, no problem. After a
Okay,
month,
it was very nice.
like after a month, please message me on LinkedIn. We can meet again. Okay, no problem with that. Okay, just message from your side, and it's okay. And one more thing, like I want your permission. Okay, like I wanted to help so many students, but right now only 161st, and it's constraint also. Like I cannot take 4 or 5 sessions in a day, more than that. Okay, that's the because each session lasts approx 40 minutes to 1 hour. Okay, and after that it's very hectic. So I have not made any YouTube channel, but I want to upload these sessions on YouTube. But be sure your face, anything related to your name details will not be leaked there. Everything will have blur, so your face, your name, nothing is going to visible there. So do you have any
Okay.
problem? Your voice, the voice
No,
will.
I don't.
You are not. Great spirit. That's very good.
No, I don't have any problem.
That's very good. You are also with me helping someone out there. Okay.
Yeah, if I am able to help someone and able to build their career and helping them, it's very nice.
Yeah, yeah. Very good.
I'll be
Great
happy
spirit.
if you are.
Great spirit. Like I generally don't see engineers so good.
Okay, Amy, that's also good.
Okay. So after a month, please message me and we can have a session. We can discuss how much you had, uh, like how much you had covered. Okay.
Upskill myself.
Yeah, upskills. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Thank
Great.
you.
Thank you. So this was another session. This was 161st session, and I'm really very happy. Uh, please follow me. Please subscribe me on YouTube. In the description, there is my LinkedIn profile. Please go there, send me a connection request, and then DM me or send me a connection request and comment on any of the post. Okay, I'm going to give you the form link which you can fill directly. Okay, if you want to have these sessions or mock interview, whatever you want. Okay, please subscribe me. Please follow me on LinkedIn, and please react with my posts. My posts are also very good. Rest everything is great. Bye bye.